Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily send a video message in Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Then hit at that chats icon to move on to the chats list, and then just enter some conversation. Right here, in order to send a video message, you should select video message mode. As you can see right here, located the microphone icon, that means voice message mode. You can tap on it to switch it to video message mode. Just like that, you can easily switch between audio message and video message. Then you can just tap and hold on that camera icon to start recording your video message. Just like that. As you can see, I've been talking for 8 seconds, and if you don't want to hold your finger at the screen, you can move it towards the lock icon, and now as you can see, I keep talking without holding my finger at the screen. Once you finish recording your video, you can hit at that stop icon to stop recording that message. Then you can check it. If you want, you can trim it in that way to send just a specific part of that voice message. And also right from here you can hit at that trash icon to remove the message that you have just recorded and to record new one. If you are happy with the result, you can hit at that send button to send that video message to the conversation. Just like that. After that, if you want to remove that message, all you have to do is just hold down on that message. Right from here you can also hit at save video, but if you want to remove it, just hit at delete and then confirm it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.